This is why most other holiday companies are ripping you off. When I started this, I had 2 young children, a young family. I was sick of getting what I deemed to be a child tax because I wanted to go on holiday in the school holidays. You know, there's no reason why people need to charge more in summer than there is in winter. So when I started this, I decided, from a personal point of view, not to do it. There was no reason for me to charge more in summer than it was in winter. It would cost me the same to run it cost me the same to open it cost me the same in staff. So why would I benefit because other people had no choice? So I made the decision not to charge anymore. So we charge a flat rate all year round. We're almost one of the only sites to do it. Most of the industry will charge you a premium rate to come on a weekend, to come in the school holidays, whatever it might be. We charge a flat rate all year round. I don't think it's right that hard-working people get charged because they want to go away when they're told to in the school holiday.